What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're gonna try a different way of cleaning out your headlight lens or your headlights. You know how they get all yellow and crusty and damaged by the sun. So we're gonna try a different thing. I've tried so many different things in the past, so let's give this a shot and see if it works. There it is. That is very yellow, and just to kind of show you in comparison, there is that one right there, and here's the one I cleaned out already, and this is the one that we're gonna do. Okay, so here it is. So all I'm gonna use just some regular old WD-40. I'm gonna spray it on this blue rag, and then we're just gonna wipe it off and see what it does. Hopefully we get the same results as the other side. So I'm just gonna spray it here. Maybe I'll make some more videos about all the other ways that I've tried before, and that way you guys can kind of see it. It looks a lot better. It is not I mean, you can see the dirt right there. It is not 100% fixed, but I say it is very plausible. I'm actually very impressed. Just as I was on the other side. The other side wasn't as bad. So, I mean, this is not that bad at all. What if we do like wax on, wax off? Okay, we dry it, take that off. And then put a little bit more. Here it is, how it looks now. I say it looks very good. Looks almost the same as the other side. Now this side was very damaged, but I mean, it looks really good compared to how it was. Alright guys, so there it is. That is how you clean your headlights with WD-40. Now it does look really good. I don't know how it's gonna look after a year. Like I said, some products after a year, with the sun beating down on it, it comes back. You have to redo the procedure. This is normal. You got to redo the procedure once a year, maybe once every 2 years, because they do get like this. There is really no way of going around it because it is plastic. The sun is going to beat on it, and then it's going to get yellow again. But this is WD-40. It looks really good. I say it's very plausible. You guys want to give it a shot? I used a blue shop rag. You guys, I'm assuming you can use just any paper towel, any rag that you guys have. And the regular good old WD-40. Everybody should have WD-40 in their house or in their garage. It is very essential. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to try to make a couple more videos about the other procedures that I've tried. The $15, $20 kit toothpaste. I've also heard that it works really good. So I'm going to try to do this kind of household fixes or cleanliness that you guys can do yourself on the headlights. We'll see if it works. You guys let me know if you guys want to see some more videos like this. It's all up to you. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.